Guys, welcome to question number 19 of SQL 50 series from LeetCode. So here we have a queries table and we have 4 columns in this table. The query name, result, position and the rating. So this table may contain duplicates and it contains information collected from some queries on a database. The position column has a value from 1 to 500. The rating column has a value from 1 to 5. Query with rating less than 3 is a poor query. So here we have a condition that the query with rating less than 3 is a poor query, and we define query quality as the average of the ratio between query rating and its position. We also define poor query percentage as the percentage of all the queries with a rating less than 3, and here we have to find a solution to find each query name, the quality and poor query percentage. So we are given some formulas that we can define the query quality as this ratio, and we can define poor query percentage as this ratio, and this is what we want in our output. We have the this is our table, and this is our sample input table, and this is our sample output table. We want the query names, the quality that we will calculate it using some formula, and again for the poor query percentage also we are given some formula. So let's see how we will do it. We just have to find the average of the ratio between query rating and its position here. So we are already given the query rating here and its position. We can simply make use of the average function with the division method between the query rating and its position. For the poor query percentage, the percentage of all the queries with rating less than 3. So we'll just apply the filtering condition that our query rating should be less than 3, and then we can directly use the average function and we can directly find the poor query percentage column. So let's begin writing the query now. Select I only have one table, so just write this queries table. Guys, we will have to do it group by operation here because we have multiple queries. We can see that, but let's not do it for now. Let's find this. Let's write the columns that we want to retrieve. We just want the query name, so query name. Next, I want quality. So quality, we can see that average of the ratio between query rating and its position. So let's find the ratio between rating and position. So rating divided by position, and we have to find the average of this ratio, average of this. Also we want these things to be rounded to 2 decimal places, so I'll just do the round also. Round this complete value to 2 decimal places and just give the alias as quality, right. Now there is one more column that we have to find, that is poor query percentage. So to find the poor query percentage, we have to find the queries whose rating is less than 3. Percentage of all queries with rating less than 3. So rating less than 3. Simply we can just apply this condition, rating less than 3, and then we can just make use of the average function here, average of rating less than 3. Also we have to do the round here also. Sorry, we have to find a percentage, no? So into 100, rating less than 3 into 100, into 100, and then I'll just do the round. Comma 2, as I'm just giving it as alias as poor query percentage. Cool. So And last we can see that these are the aggregated column, this is the aggregated column, and this is not the aggregated column. So all the non-aggregated column always come under group by clause. So query name is non-aggregated, so we'll just put it in our group by, and there is nothing as such as that we have to do for the order by. So I'll simply run the query and see the results. Okay. Okay, so we have successfully got what we were looking for: the query name, the quality of the query, and poor query percentage. Guys, there is one more solution. If we don't want to make use of the average function, there is one more solution that we can do. However, the solution is little lengthy, but let's discuss it and do it. Instead of doing the average, this average function, we will just do sum of we'll just make use of the sum, and then we will do. So let's do it here now, here itself only. So we wanted to find the sum of rating. We wanted to find the rating by position here. So what I'm doing here is I'll just calculate the average ratio of rating to position for each query group. So this I'll do it using rating multiplied by divide by position, and then divided by, since I found the sum of these ratings, sum of rating by position, then I'll just do it the count star. So this will give me the average. Okay, so I've not directly used the average formula, but I have just found that I've just divided this with the total number of ratings to, so it will give me the average of this. So and then we had to do the round, and it will give me quality. Same thing we'll do for the poor query percentage also. We will make use of case when condition. Case when rating is less than 3, then print 1, else print 0. So it will just count the ratings, count the number of times when ratings is 3, and then I wanted, since I want to find the percentage, so I'll just multiply by 100 here itself, and then I want to divide it with by total number of queries. So this will give me, count star will give me total number of queries, and then again I'll just make use of the round function, and then I'll just do comma 2, and it will give me poor query percentage. Let's make it to the second line. Okay, fine. So let's run and see. It gives some kind of error, so let me review it. Okay, I can see there is some syntax error in this. I forgot doing end here. If I do end, my syntax is complete. I'll run it now and we'll see the results now. Okay, so we have got that we wanted the query name, the quality, and the poor query percentage, even if you don't want to do it using average function. So sometimes your interviewer might ask you that don't use the average function and then calculate this. So in this case, this solution will be helpful. So I hope you're clear with the solution, guys. Thank you.